the 9740 kind of line 350 with the 5.4 liter in it. I'll make a video. Got lower intake, leaking coolant, couple vacuum lines leaking, misfire. Put some plugs in it. Got to dig that thing out of there. I then got the coolant drained, battery disconnected, and the snorkel out of the way. This ain't in a how-to video. This video for customers more or less. But yeah, gonna dig that intake manifold out of there. She's leaking. Let's see, if you're wanting a how-to on this thing, if it's electrical or if it's connected, if it's a vacuum line, if it's a something, disconnect it. That's how you do this. You disconnect everything on the top, including that doohickey, which I gotta get a new doohickey for. I don't know if you can see it back in there. Anyway, I made a boo-boo, so I gotta hunt one of them down. Yeah, just disconnect everything. Alright, I gotta find one of those things and get my air compressor to blow out all these holes for spark plugs before I take that manifold off there. Get all the gunk out the way. Okay, so earlier on the job, I successfully did this. Having a time finding this piece, so I put all little divots in there and little straight grindy things. I've already JB welded. See what happens. Hope for the best, right? Now we got her all glued up and stuff. She's not pretty, but that's the quality you get with the JB weld. Getting ready to clean that gasket surface off really good. So far, just scraped it all up and got the Ford modular motor nest out of there. Got this thing epoxied together. Seems to be all right. Seems to be all right. I see the customer's fluent with some JB weld. Yeah, I'm gonna get down in there, clean them off, get ready to put this new gasket setup in there. I gotta go through the coils and these plugs also. Two of the coils, the ears just busted off and something or another and whatnot. He wants 6 out of the 8 plugs put in there. 2 of them's repair plugs or something. He said, don't mess with them. I said, okay. I'd break out the tap and die set and all kinds of other whatever. By the way, I've never had one of these work. I always break them out just in case, maybe like some kind of messed up hope. But I've never had these work. They push the threads out as they go in, which sets the broken bolt in place. And maybe other people have had them work. Yeah, that's the one right there. Got her all set and dead now. Alright. It's a crummy design. Putting that ear on there like that reminds me of that EGR valve piece. Yeah, let's move on, get this thing done. So now that we made it that far in life, go ahead and put the coil packs back in. Yeah, I got that all set and put back in there that intake manifold. Yay. Coil packs. One thing about these jobs, you know, the job's done right, and you know it whenever the customer's satisfied. It's just not like trying to pull the wool over on the customer. You gotta make sure the job's done right. One thing I've learned along the way is, you know, making sure a job's done right. Because you can satisfy a customer, but that don't mean that you did the job right. And that's a big selling point. Because that makes repeat customers when you do the job right and the customer's satisfied. I told him he's got ABS light on. Wasn't my issue, not my concern.